Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachos and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, but here we'll bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. I'm a former AC Milan midfielder who they call Dimitri Albertini don't advise Frank Kessie. Say if you want to go for England, say even guys choose between Arsenal and Tottenham Hotspur. So Baba can break them down for him. Say if you go for Arsenal now, they know how he gets a massive chance of playing, because when he checks say Granit Xhaka now they injured now. Either one, they always get maybe card, get sometimes he go play, sometimes he no go play. So he go feel replace that one. Or Thomas Partey when they get injury problems regularly, the guy na injury prone player. Say if that one come out, he go fit still play. And at the same time, El Neni waiting for that midfield, they come out for January possibly, you get. And at the same time, Lokonga na upcoming, they as a professional like him, like person they play week in week out. So if he enter for Arsenal, he go slot in directly. It's either impact na Thomas Partey for the heart of the midfield, or impact that Granit Xhaka for the heart of the midfield. No, Lokonga go come in from Benjamin, they come to join them. Say it will make sense making go join Arsenal, because if he go for Tottenham Hotspur, the chances fit so they limited. So but just give him advice as a senior man when be say if you want play, you go good may choose Arsenal, or make your own choice and make up your own mind. Me, I just tell you the differences between both teams and your likelihood of playing regularly, because this one no be Italian Serie A where they play regularly for AC Milan. This one they go for a different country where they get different footballing philosophy. The pace of the game is faster than Serie A, so but just the advisor. And say Arsenal they interested in signing Frank Kessie, because the guy said in contract will expire next summer. So AC Milan with the reason say they won't collect money for his head. They don't want to make the guy come they left it one more year for his contract. So well, all the same, I don't go check the guy for YouTube. The guy said if not good player, so I got advice to me and said go check him soon and I go fit put in inputs about the matter whether it will make sense not to sign this guy or not. On my lot of people don't they ask for social media say whether Arteta they mismanage Martinelli. So Mr. Basse make I ask now, because many pundits don't choke mouth for this matter. Say what is going on between Arteta and Martinelli? She na mismanagement now will call him. Okay, fine. If na no one give this guy game time, why would I not send him out on loan? Make him go they develop at least. I seen they like this now when they play, in morale they dampen, in spirit, everything they go down about him. The guy very soon have to forget how to play football again. Arteta don't come outside say they don't want to rush the guy, give him more playing time, make the guy no go get injury. But I don't understand how that one take help the guy. Why not send him out on loan, even if not championship or even if not La Liga, even if not still EPL but a smaller club ready for EPL? Send him out on loan, make the guy go get game time. I be how not see this matter between Martinelli and Arteta, unless maybe something they saw but we never really know about, because like some people don't talk before, if Arteta don't like somebody, they easily give him game time, but if he like you, he go to give you game time. We need to try this guy, make him play. Now until January when Aubameyang them be like say Aubameyang said they don't qualify for AFCON, where other people like don't come out and they give him game time, and I be say but that January go feel worse, so they don't even give him game time. I don't just understand what's this up. I'll be getting any of now when know the apple, and let me know for the comment section. Another thing where people call they talk about the what make I even ask me again, we say if Lacazette don't talk say officially say no one sign contract renewal, you get say he won't look for greener pastures. All of us know that one. Then Arsenal self know that one. Even Arteta self don't come outside talk say they don't want to talk about contract extension until at the end of the summer, and that's at the end of the summer officially. Like I said, contracts will don't scatter, you get. Remember saying that what them do David Luiz says we'll discuss it at the end of the summer, we'll discuss it at the end of the summer. End of summer come, the contract say they don't get mutual understanding, same way about finding square roots. So they expect the same mutual understanding here. So with that settled, the what you call it talk now we say, why are we now still giving Lacazette playing time once we know say this guy that person we say come next season if it will not be here with us again, if it will not go join another club? Yet, and saying that because of this Lacazette man, that is why we change our formation. We done a 4-4-2, I've been a 4-4-1-1 with the play. I don't even understand. We make our original number 10 come go for flank. We're going to use Lacazette as an alternate number 10. Just be behind Aubameyang. So you're blessed to play 4-1-1. They're going to serve as the alternate number 10. Go drop back from midfield. Come go attack again. Just to give some kind of passes. But it is not working because he's not a crisis back. it can probably work for all those smaller teams. If they play them, we'll go overwhelm them with our presence for midfield. But once we play a bigger team, it is very, very hard. So the question is this: why can't we give game time to original people who will buy saying I don't want to use for midfield? See Odegaard now. Odegaard don't play in first few games. He don't really perform, but you learn on the job. The more you play, the better you become. That's what it just be. See Lokonga, that way they make mistakes. Shemi na the more they play now, the better they become. That's what it just be. So Shemi will go back to our good formation. We say we'll bring that creative spark for the middle of the pack. Abimo will continue with this formation. What will change because of Lacazette? We know we're even there at the end of the season. I don't know. For me, it's a no-brainer. So what do you think about this situation we'll do now? Arsenal, they're interested in signing Otto from Juventus, and this guy, you say Juventus collect him from Barcelona that year where they do swap deal, where Juventus give them Miralem Pjanic, then Barca can't give them Otto. I think that was in 2020. So ever since when this guy go for Juventus, the guy they play, but he don't really get game time like that. So now the guy they reason to check for greener pastures, and Arsenal are one of the places where they really say, okay, we would like to collect the guy, because the guy they used to footballing philosophy like tiki-taka package, and Arsenal self offer and that kind of thing, and the guy get footballing brain. So Arsenal the reason say they would like to collect this guy from Juventus for January, because Juventus said they willing to let the guy go, because themselves they find money. They won't buy Vlahovic, you get, they won't go break Vlahovic buyout clause. But the reason say, okay, if they fit sell maybe Ramsey, or maybe they will throw Ramsey on free, we never even know about that one, then they won't sell this Otto gong. They fit sell him. Can't sell the Dejan Kulusevski, and these two people that won't sell, see whether they go raise more money, can't add beauty, then get go collect Vlahovic. So Arsenal they interested. Me as just I did guaranteed, I know say for January Arsenal will sign, but this one so they linked to many players. Not saying all of them will sign. At the end of the day, we'll sign one. That's just the truth. So different journalists, reputable journalists, just they come outside every day, let us know. So okay, Arsenal are interested in this one. No, their agent don't call me and let me know. Say Arsenal just reason and say one thing. So that is why anytime we happen like that, myself I go let you know. So okay, we are interested in this player. Last. Robert Pires don't come outside. Come they advise Arsenal say he go like make them sign a player for January. I'm making a guess what the kind of player Baba say make them sign English defender. I don't just understand Baba philosophy, as in the reasoning behind these thoughts. Why we go sign a defender? What happened to the defenders we will get already? Oh, they go buy more defenders. I don't understand. Say during your own time they get to the Adams, they get Ashley Cole, they get this one, they get that one. Say that them be the base, that them be the Rock of Gibraltar for your own time. Our own time, we don't get people there now. Say that will be our problem again. Our major problem now attacking. Some of all these legends, I will call them. I don't know, just like say because they don't be senior men now, they can't if you say anything they talk, people just they do. Which I'm saying go decide defender. I be how not this issue about they talk about. Now defender be our problem. My marital spirits wey we dey call play sports don come outside. They let us know say Arsenal dey very interested in signing Stew Bucharest striker wey they call Lani Stoica. This guy na 18-year-old and the guy they play very well. If you see the guy, you're not going to see na 18 years, but you see na one kind 25 years or 23 years. The guy get build and the guy they score very well. Many people they reason the guy, so Arsenal don't they interested. They don't go reason them officially now say we won't sign this guy. I don't know whether we won't bring him as under 23 academy boy. I'll be to come play for our main national, our main squad. I don't just understand because you cannot compare a league in Romania with a league in England, you get. So I don't understand. The guy feel very prolific for there. He score goal week out. But can you replicate that form here in EPL? That one be the question. Now $1 million question with that. But at the same time, FCSB owner, what they call Gigi Bekali. FCSB name is Football Club Stew Bucharest. So Gigi Bekali don't come outside the talk say, almost say he don't know say Arsenal they interested in signing Lani Stoica. But once we go let Arsenal know, they say they know they sell for now. You get maybe in the next 1 year or in the next 2 years, and they go reason say okay they won't sell the guy. But for now, nobody reason the matter. Say they don't want to sell the guy, give anybody because they still they enjoy the guy and the guy never finish what they do. Their whole project never achieve and finish for them. So when they finish, then anybody won't come buy him. They go reason us. But for me, is this guy the kind of person we need? When they talk say we need big name and they tell us about Stoica. We don't need all this Stoica. Tell me about Sterling. I want to hear Sterling. Tell me about Bernardo Silva. And I want to be hearing all those kind of names. Tell me about Odi Watkins. You get, these are the names I want to be hearing. Tell me about all those guys. Though we don't talk about Vlahovic again now. give me Isaac. Give me better names. Yes, man, here. Senior me want to say they better than some of the things we get. Now what I want to hear. Don't be stoic 18-year-old. The ones who don't buy finish, don't use them finish. Let me not go rest, yo. At the beginning of the season, you get one statement where Edu Gaspar, who are technical director, make. So a lot of people don't hold down to that statement. So Baba come outside talk, say for Arsenal, so we get Aubameyang striker, we will promise us like 20-25 goals per season, and at the same time we can't get a second striker in Lacazette, we will promise us like 10 to 15 goals per season. Then these guys they will help us bust nets like mad this season. Baba talk plenty with high hopes. Again, give us morale, give us confidence, say nothing to stop, so we'll bust nets. At the end of the day, so far now, how many goals Lacazette don't score? How many goals Aubameyang don't score? So some people call and say, Baba, you remember when you talk this kind of statement? What did they stop now? So let's go by people. So now our monitoring spirit constantly let us know, say, Edu Gaspar, they plan how they will sell people like Ben Leno, people like Lacazette, people like Kessie, can't join money, go buy Renato Sanchez, because they say Renato Sanchez will cost like 40-something million pounds because the guy they in high regards for Lily, and many people the reason the matter. Even AC Milan said, I don't talk on that before. They for the mix. So I don't know, this statement where Edu Gaspar makes, Lacazette and Aubameyang. So far, what is the assessment of these two players? So far, I think we don't play the 13 matches, Abby. So far, what will be their own? What will be your assessment of them? They don't play up to expectation, or they play below expectation. Because for me, I don't go lie for you, they are playing below my expectation because they know they turn up when we need them most. That's one thing. And they know be the leaders of the team. Just like say our leaders in the future. Now those kind of Smith and Saka, and then be sure there's a person who could give Saka or Smith captain. Now because we get captain when you do anything, you get. So that's my own assessment. I don't know about you now. So my dear football lovers, now here we'll come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, giving our fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon way there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you. Have a nice day.